Hello and welcome to Nimbus Maps. In this video, I'll show you how to save your projects in the platform. Go to your site and open the info panel, then click on Add to Workflow. Select your stage and add notes to the card. Once the site is added, you can amend notes by selecting Edit Workflow item and then making the changes here. To view all your saved sites, click on Workflow. Here you'll be able to see all your saved sites. You can drag and drop the cards to different stages, edit notes, and visit the site by simply clicking on the card title. Click on the three dots to adjust the settings for your column. If you're part of a team, you can share your column with everybody in your team by toggling off the private option. If you have existing projects, you can upload them by clicking on Upload and following the instructions, or if you would like to extract all your projects with your notes, you can export them by clicking on Download. By default, your projects are displayed on the map by a pin with the initial of your stage. You can turn this off by going to the three dots and toggling off the display on map option. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, then please share them with us by emailing us at success@nimbusproperty.co.uk. Thank you for watching.